The demand for renewable energies is increasing rapidly. We want to achieve the ambitious climate targets and bring clean electricity into every power outlet of the country. For grid operators, this constitutes a major challenge. We urgently need more electricity highways to transport our electricity from the north to the south. egeplast develops pipe systems for a sustainable, future-proof power grid. The egeplast Power Protect is a protective pipe system for high and extra high voltage cables up to 525 kV. The co-extruded pipe consists of 3 layers, manufactured according to customer specifications. The low-friction inner layer ensures easy pull-in of the energy cable. The pipe system is suitable for all installation methods and joining technologies. With a heating coil integrated into its wall, the new egeplast Smart Connect allows for a fast, simple and resource-saving connection. A flush connection between the inner and the outer surfaces results in an installation on the same alignment and a barrier-free cable drawing. My name is Erwin Behrens. I have held an entire range of management positions in the energy sector for 27 years. In 2019, I established the engineering firm B+ Ingenieurgesellschaft, where I mostly provide professional advice in the fields of energy distribution and energy generation. Ever since then, I have been supporting egeplast in developing solution-oriented products.
Die Klimaziele zu erreichen.
In order to achieve the climate objectives, the German transmission grid too will need to be expanded, both to transport energy from the north to the industrial centers in central and south Germany, as well as with view to electricity interconnections all over Europe. When providing consulting, we have come to discover again and again that the success of the network expansion projects depends on solutions which significantly contribute to a rapid and uncomplicated completion of the routes. The utilization of pipe systems is crucial for a rapid and sustainable expansion of the turnaround in energy policy. egeplast has recognized the demands of the market and implemented in the form of innovative system solutions for all installation methods. Easy handling, maximum safety, and optimized overall costs. Do feel free to take advantage of our individual advice. We are happy to support you in planning your construction project. egeplast, future-proofed pipe systems.